detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reaffirmed India's commitment to achieving green development and net zero targets. He was addressing the gathering after inaugurating the 4th Reinvest Global Renewable Energy Meet. Prime Minister Modi also dedicated to the nation the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijali Yojana and Mahatma Mandir in Gandhinagar today. The Prime Minister said that, despite being a developing country, India has achieved its climate commitment set in Paris 9 years ahead of the target. He said India has made its green transition a people's movement.
G20 में पहला ऐसा देश है जिसने पेरिस में तय क्लाइमेट कमिटमेंट्स को डेडलाइन से 9 साल पहले अचीव कर लिया, 9 साल पहले पूरा कर दिया। हम ग्रीन ट्रांजिशन को पीपल्स मूवमेंट बना रहे हैं।